What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Better Biomed. Folks, today is the day that I can finally tell you about what we've been working on for a while. And I'm talking about myBC Mobile, the mobile application that allows you to interface with your BC products. But we added a whole bunch of extra functionality, and today's the day that I can tell you about it. Let's do it. So this is myBC Connect. It's a online platform that allows you to create auto sequences and archive data, create reports, manage your user base and stuff like that. But this is myBC Mobile. myBC Mobile is on Android or on iOS, and it allows you to access auto sequences that you have made so you can be walked step by step through tests. You're welcomed right here on the screen where it says up here in the corner that I'm a myBC Connect user. And down here, we have a little barcode. So I can scan the barcodes on my device. And when we load it up, there you can see that this one here is a LifePak 20 by Medtronic, and I have an auto sequence saved called Defibrillator Demo with Electrical Safety SpO2, PACE, and ECG. Now, if I click the blue button right there, I'm running that auto sequence. Now, we have a couple extra features that weren't included in the old version of myBC Mobile. Over here, we have a login screen along with some contact us information and access to the BC Group store. Down here at the bottom, if you like using myBC Mobile the way that you've traditionally used it, there's the test function, and that takes you directly to tests that you can do manually offline. Now, over here, there's one extra thing right there by my shoulder. You see it's called Records. Now, you can navigate myBC Mobile by swiping left or swiping right. When you swipe right, it goes to Records, and here we can access historical maintenance data on your medical device. So I'm going to go up here, click on the little barcode symbol, and let's see how many records I have for this defibrillator. Oh boy, here you go. And you can see a whole variety of tests, and you can see that many of them say that they're incomplete because it's a demo. But at the very top, you can see that it says that this test was passed. Oh, actually, there's a bunch of them that passed. Yay us. You can view the PDFs, you can download them, you can email them, you can do a lot of stuff from in here. Most of the work that you're going to be doing is right here from the asset page. And the way it works is on BC Connect, we have your assets loaded to our web-based database. And when you scan the barcode, it grabs that data for that asset and it says, hey, what tests are assigned to this type of device? And your super user, whoever it may be at your facility, assigns a particular model to a particular type of test. And myBC Mobile says, aha, all right, you have a defibrillator. We're going to run the defibrillator test. You can launch it and run it. The cool thing is we can attach photos, and you can also do things like having checklists and notes to the user that guide them through the process. So if there's an access code to get in the service menu, well, you can take a photo of how to access the service menu by a certain button combination, etc. And you can have a little note right there that says what your access code is for your particular device. Saves you a lot of time and a lot of needless energy searching around for those codes. So myBC Mobile, it's got a lot of features and it just came out. I wanted to let you guys know that it's finally live. I've been using a test version for a long time and we've been making constant tweaks to it because I'm a firm believer that we can always do better. So folks, check it out, myBC Mobile. If you are currently an owner of BC biomedical equipment, there's many things that we can do to get you back up and going with Bluetooth and get you ready for BC Connect. I've got all sorts of adapters for Bluetooth that we can retrofit your old equipment. And if you bought a new BC device, it's got Bluetooth included. So you're already ready to go. All right. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. I will do my absolute best to get you a very solid answer. Check out myBC Mobile, available on iOS and the Android app stores. Thanks for watching, guys.
I'm here to assist you with all your test equipment needs, from multimeters and test weights to patient simulators and x-ray analyzers. If you need guidance or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me at jbarber@bcgroupinternational.com.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.